Use a carpet rake. Carpets instantly spices up a boring room. The splash of color and the intricate design adds so much detail that keeps a room interesting. However, carpets require certain amount of effort to maintain, especially if you have wall-to-wall carpets installed, and if you have pets inside the house. Aside from the regular shampoo, you would also find a carpet rake very helpful. A carpet rake is not too common if you have a relatively small carpet at home. But for business offices and homes that have huge and long carpets, this is a very functional tool that can be used hand in hand with a vacuum cleaner. Carpet rakes look similar to regular rakes you use in your yard. The only difference is the kind of nylon fiber it has. If you pay for carpet cleaner services, it is useful to know that they, too, use carpet rakes. So instead of hiring their services, you will be able to save a lot by buying your own carpet rake and clean your carpet yourself. It is easier than you think. Here are some tips on how to use a carpet cleaner. Choose a carpet rake. There are several models and sizes for carpet rakes. Professional carpet groomers use rakes as big as 18 inches. For home use, you can use the same for really big carpets, or you can opt for the much smaller versions. Choose a brand with a good quality, especially if you plan to use it long term. Ask the sales representative which brand he can recommend. Uses of a carpet rake. Though a vacuum cleaner is very useful in cleaning carpets, it cannot get the dirt loose from some strands. It also cannot comb the strands of the carpet and remove the tangles similar to a rake. This is also particularly useful when cleaning a wet carpet. Rake the carpet. Before using the vacuum, take out your carpet rake and go through the entire carpet surface. Observe one stroke for the entire carpet and then go through it again on a different direction. This will loosen the carpet strands and get the dirt out from hidden spots. Vacuum the carpet. Get the vacuum out and start going through the carpet as you usually do. Observe the same stroke for the entire carpet surface to organize the strands or fibers in the same way. Rake again. Raking the carpet after vacuuming it will give it a good as new look. You can spray dry carpet shampoo to make it smell fresh as a finishing touch. The cleaning process is very easy. You can save a lot of money cleaning and maintaining the carpet by yourself. You may get the carpet cleaner's services only when necessary. Example of which is when getting rid of stubborn stains. Carpet rakes are not too common, so you may have to look for a store near you that sells janitorial supplies. If you used to get carpet grooming services, you can ask them where they buy their rake as well.